carnation milk. Gonna need some baking powder, some sugar, and some brown sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna put you guys up high in the sky so we can see and get into it and chop it up. Okay, so now we have my bowl where I'm gonna put it in, shake it on up, and let's chop it up. So we're gonna make a coconut cake, guys. Y'all ready for this? All right, let me put you guys up so we can chop it up. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually shake the flour into here, okay? So let's pour some in there. And then let's just shake it on up. All right. Let's just throw that on the side. Shake. All right, so now guys, we're gonna pour in some of our carnation milk, coconut, and some sugar into this bowl right here, okay? So let me open this sugar on up. This milk. All right, we got the milk. I'm gonna pour some milk inside of here. Actually gonna mix it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle a dash of salt in there, guys. Okay, just a little bit of sea salt in there. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna pour in the sugar. I'm gonna pour in the brown sugar. All right, so now we're just pouring in our coconut in there. Pour it on in there. Pour it all in there. Okay. Just like that. Just sprinkle a little bit in there. We're just gonna mix this on up. Mix it on up. That's all we're doing now is mixing it. Mixing it all together. Mix it, baby. Mix it. Yeah. So mixing it on up. Get it nice and mixed in there. I'm actually gonna pour in the melted butter. This is our butter. Put that on there. Alright, so now we're gonna pour this all inside. Alright guys, so I already poured in the mix in there. All I did was pour in the butter, pour the mix in, and now I'm just mixing it up. We're just mixing it to get it nice, fluffy, soft. This is like a whole arm workout, guys. Okay. So now it looks pretty good. Nice and mixed. How we're looking. You guys see that? And I'm just gonna pour that in here. All I did was butter it up. And then we're gonna pour that into here. All right, guys, so we're gonna pour the rest of this into here. Pour all of that in there. How we're looking, so I'm gonna put this baby in the oven and we will be back. We will see the finishing touch, okay guys? Looking delicious. It looks so good. Okay, check it out. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, it feels good. Feels good. It looks good. It tastes good. Okay, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We will be cooking. We will be doing everything with the woo.